walk over there, they got a big fish tank down there.
I've seen that.
They've got that gondola, they're pushing it out through. About ready to go up there.
Yep, we got one still down over here.
They'll get them all lit up here pretty soon.
That's pretty.
Here, over here. Get ready.
Serious business in this balloon. It's just about done and they're still trying to get up the hill. Hello guys, it's late and I am already laying on my bed because I am so tired. I had a very full day today, and although I didn't do much talking in the video, my dad took me this evening and we went to the balloon festival, and I wanted to share that with you guys because if you've never been to the lighting of the balloons in the evening, it is so pretty. This afternoon, my mom and dad and myself, we went and had dinner at Cheddar's. I had personally never been to a Cheddar's. I got a chicken salad. It was very good. Service was wonderful. Restaurant was really pretty. But anyhow, I know these day in a life videos are probably kind of short, but I kind of wanted to just, keep some memories of my time here with my parents. I'm not sure how long I'm staying. I can stay as long as I want, but I think I'll probably be going back home probably sometime after Halloween, so we'll see. But I'm having a really good time. Tomorrow is my friend Jeremy is getting married Saturday, and tomorrow's Friday, so they're having the wedding rehearsal tomorrow evening. I've been doing some recipe videos here at my mom and dad's. This morning I shot the footage for my orange dream salad. It is so good. We just ate a big bowl. I hadn't even finished that video out. I'm supposed to share it with you guys, what it looks like after it's done, and here we are eating on it. But I'm going to finish the video footage in the morning, and then I'm going to film another video, and then I got to run up to Walmart because I need pantyhose for the wedding. But I'm going to take you guys along tomorrow with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the balloon festival footage that I shot today. I hope you all are having a fantastic day or night whenever you watch this. Thanks so much for tuning in to Kiddos Koral. If you are new, please subscribe, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys, and good night, because I'm so tired.